god! This is great. You're not done yet! What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is video number 2 for the Geo Metro. So today, as you can tell from the intro for this video, we're gonna be washing it. This thing is so dirty, so we're gonna be completely going through the interior and out tier. I was about to say out tier. Exterior. Is that exterior? This thing is filthy, so that'll be fun. And we're also gonna paint it with bed liner. I actually have to go and edit the first video, which will be up by the time you're watching this. So link in the description, be sure you check out the first video if you haven't already. So while I'm editing that video, Zach is gonna work on removing the doors, removing the interior, and getting the chunks of rat poop, cow manure, and God knows what else that's in this Geo out. That'll be fun to watch. Let's do it.
What is up, you guys? Today is kind of an off day, I guess. Today's goal is to get the Geo completely stripped, like all the carpet, all the plastic pieces. I'm gonna show you what we're working with and how messy it is right now. We're gonna get the seats taken out, front and back, and then we're gonna begin this nasty carpet. Right now is covered in mud, kind of thanks to me on that one. And then what we're gonna do is take the headliner out as well. Needless to say, this job is gonna be quite messy just because there's a lot of mud and a lot of water in the carpet already. And the plan is to rhino line the inside and possibly the outside. On that, let's get to it. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do is take out the driver's seat, and then next I'm gonna take out the passenger seat, and then I'm gonna take out the rear seat. So I guess time lapse starts now. So we got the first seat out, the driver's seat. Whoop. Got the driver's seat out, and you can't, I don't know if you can tell or not, but that is why we were taking out all that trash, and all that is just mud right there. So I got both front seats out. Now it is time to work on the back seat, and then the next step is going to be working on getting all this plastic crap out of here. All this stuff, or this stuff, and then after that it'll be getting all this nasty carpet out. Hello, you can drive through here. People. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm getting ready to take the back seat out, this back bench, and this car is kind of really rusty, so that's why I got some new gloves on. But yeah, and I am a dumber. You got to use a Phillips to take this back off, so I guess I'll be back. Now I gotta go get more Phillips. Okay. Now I got a Phillips. Now.
Pigsty in there, dude.
A pigsty? I told you. It's so grody. Why don't I get the right job?
Because you don't know how to edit. That's why.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue taking all these plastic pieces off so we can just roll the carpet up into one big piece and get it out of here. So to do that, I'm gonna finish taking that piece off, and then I'm gonna take the e-brake plastic cover off, and it's probably not gonna go back on, and then we'll work on that side, getting the lower plastic trimming pieces out, and we should have the carpet out in like maybe 15, 20 minutes. Wow, that is actually very clean up on the ceiling. Well, got the nasty headliner out. It honestly looks a heck of a lot better without this headliner. Now the next goal is to get all this glue off the top. Time to keep on stripping this car out. Sorry, I'm trying to vlog with this on a freaking tripod. Anyways, that headliner came out a lot easier than I expected, to be completely honest. Because most of the time when I mess with headliners, they come out in bits and pieces because they're all dried up and all nasty. So that one came out all in one piece for like 99% of the part. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing what we did over there. Get all those plastic pieces out of the car. And then we're just gonna roll up this nasty carpet. This was a lot easier than I expected, to be completely honest with you. I thought it was gonna be a lot more back-breaking work, but it's really not. It's just simple and easy. It's not hard to do at all. Oh my god, this thing is so nasty. Surprisingly, not that much rust underneath there, to be completely honest. I'm very surprised there's not that much rust. Okay, so we have to wash this thing. We're gonna take it through a car wash. And the one way to get the inside more clean is by taking the doors off. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to take the doors off, and well, Gabe's actually going to help me. As soon as he gets out here, he's going to help me get the doors off. And then we're going to throw everything inside and go take it to the car wash, because this thing needs to be washed inside and out very bad.
There is a mystery substance in the driver's seat that kind of resembles blood. Don't really know about that. I don't know, maybe the previous owner had like a deer or something in here. I don't know. So the plan is we're gonna throw the seats back in the car and drive it to the car wash. And once again, I don't know what this stuff is. All right guys, we are at the car wash. Now we're taking the seats back out, as you can see there, so we can really deep clean this.
spotless clean. Be nice and shiny.
It actually kind of smells good now, not gonna lie. It really does. It's a huge improvement.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about getting tetanus or any type of like infections from it.
I wouldn't say we're there yet, but we're getting there.
Now we're gonna go through the car wash.
With Zach in it.
With Zach in it. Oh, great.
Don't worry, I'll be filming, buddy.
I'm about to take our Geo, off-roading Geo, through a car wash because it needs a car wash. And we have no doors on it. Now I'm the stupid one to get into the car and do this. Oh God. Oh shit. Oh, that's so cold. That was so. Oh my God. I don't know how well this is gonna feel. That's soap. Yeah, I got soap everywhere. I'm getting a f***ing shower right now. I'm gonna smell all f***ing fruity.
This is great. You're not done yet. Oh God.
I'm so scared. Oh my God.
Oh God.
Oh dear God. It's like a freaking hurricane. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my God. It is so cold, dude. Hey, at least we're getting clean together. Woo. Is it done yet? A while to get in the car.
That looks deadly. Oh my gosh. This is great. This is quality entertainment right here, folks.
You gotta try this. Like, it's not painful as I thought it was going to be, but it's definitely cold as shit. I drive forward? You gotta try it.
That was great.
Oh, that was awesome.
Is it cleaner? Kind of?
It's pretty clear. Hi.
What's up?
Like, honestly, that was a lot of fun.
It looks like it.
I'm not gonna lie.
I'll have to try it.
It wasn't, okay, I thought it was gonna be very painful because of the pressure washers.
Yeah.
Because how much pressure there is. I thought it was gonna be very painful from that. But it wasn't. It was like taking a shower, but a very cold shower. But it was just like nothing else. It was a lot of fun.
Oh, that was great. Good job. I'm proud. His first doorless car wash.
That was a lot of fun.
On a scale of 1 to wet, how bad is it?
The seat or me?
You.
Oh, I'm a 10. I'm wet.
Goodbye, puke green.